Did you know that Singapore is one of the most water-stressed countries in the world? In each manual car wash, we utilize 130 liters of water. In order to reduce water wastage, Inchcape and Karcher have come together to drive a wave of change. Introducing the industry first in Singapore for consistent and thorough automated cleaning.
We at Inchcape Singapore are very excited to be the first authorized car distributor to partner with Karcher and bring this technology to Singapore with the foresight to embrace sustainable technology. These car wash gantries are designed to recycle up to 85% of water on each wash and can save up to 7.5 million litres annually across all our locations island-wide. And that's equivalent to 3 Olympic-sized swimming pools. It's a huge improvement for productivity and energy efficiency for Inchcape, our customer and the Singaporean community.
Wastewater from each wash is funneled through a filtration system and filtered to 70 microns, or approximately 1/3 of a human hair. The filtered water is stored for the initial wash, and fresh water completes each wash for a polished finish. As part of our commitment to sustainability, our automated car wash reduces water wastage for a more environmentally friendly wash.
At Karcher, we are pleased to be partnering with Inchcape. These gantries are equipped with specially designed polyethylene brushes that provide a consistent and thorough clean. Rear cleaning is optimized at the right angle, rims are cleaned with height-adjusted precision, and the wash is completed with our quick contour-following roof dryer. You can enjoy a peace of mind with Karcher's state-of-the-art technology.
The Inchcape Karcher Car Wash, a wave of change to revolutionize car wash in Singapore.